Hi everyone, welcome to the brand new section, Understanding Time Series Data. In order to further improve forecasting, the irregular fluctuations are assumed to be independent and identically distributed observations, and modelled by a linear regression on variables other than the time index. In this section, we'll cover advanced processing and visualization of time series data, statistical hypothesis testing to verify stationarity of a time series, and time series decomposition for adjusting trends and seasonality. Now we move on to the first video of this section that deals with advanced processing and visualization of time series data. In this video, we're going to take a look at the basics of time series data visualization and processing. We'll understand its importance and the process of doing it. In many cases, the original time series needs to be transformed into aggregate statistics. For example, observations in the original time series might have been recorded at every second. However, in order to perform any meaningful analysis, data must be aggregated every minute. This would need resampling the observations over periods that are longer than the granular time indices on the original data. The aggregate statistics, such as mean, median and variance, is calculated for each of the longer periods of time. Another example of data pre-processing for time series is computing aggregates over similar segments in the data. Note that both resampling and group-by operations divide the original time series data in non-overlapping chunks to find the aggregates. Both the techniques are going to reduce noise and subsequently produce smoothing of the original time series. However, sometimes continuous or running aggregates of the time series are required for analysis. The technique of computing aggregates over windows of successive time periods gives moving or rolling aggregates. For example, quarterly moving averages of car sales data would be finding averages over a 4-month window that shifts by 1 month every time. By shifting or rolling the window of computation, the moving averages are generated. That's it for this video.